In today's video, I'm going to show you how to prevent likes notifications from anyone on X, formerly Twitter, in just a few quick steps. This is a simple way to reduce notification clutter and keep your alerts focused on the updates that actually matter to you. If you find this helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick tutorials like this. Let's get started. First, open X on your desktop or in your browser, and look at the left navigation bar. From there, click More. This will open up the additional menu options for your account. Next, click Settings and Privacy. This is where you can control your account behavior, security, and notification preferences. Once you're inside Settings and Privacy, click Notifications. This section contains all the notification controls for your X account, including mentions, replies, likes, and more. Now click Preferences. This will take you to the area where you can customize exactly how notifications are delivered to you. After that, click Push Notifications. Here you'll find the settings that control what shows up as a push alert on your device. Scroll until you find the Likes section. Under Likes, you'll see the option that controls whether you receive notifications about likes from other users. Toggle that option off. Once it's turned off, you will no longer get like notifications from anyone on X. And that's it. You've successfully turned off likes notifications and cleaned up your alert feed. If this video helped, don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out the next tutorial for more X tips and tricks.